Good evening, and thanks for joining us for this evening's press briefing. With us this evening is Dr. Da Costa, Director, Health Promotion at the Ghana Health Service, Dr. Mrs. Martha Jan Salutrot, Acting Chief Director at the Ministry of Health, Dr. Bedu Sakodie, who's the Director of Public Health at the Ghana Health Service, and the Minister responsible for Health, the Honorable Kwaku Agyeman. This evening we have an update on the COVID-19 pandemic, and I'll invite the Honorable Minister to update the nation on where we are currently.
Thank you, Honorable Minister. Fellow Ghanaians, good evening. The Minister of Health has confirmed 2 cases of COVID-19. The cases were confirmed on the 12th of March, that is today, 2020, and the first cases to be reported in Ghana. Laboratory results of the 2 confirmed cases were received at the same time from the Noguchi Memorial Institute for Medical Research. Both individuals returned to Ghana, one from Norway and the other from Turkey. So these are imported cases of COVID-19. Both patients are currently being kept in isolation and are stable. We have initiated processes for contact tracing. I wish to assure Ghanaians that the government of Ghana, together with all health partners, will continue to work assiduously to ensure the situation is contained. We wish to encourage every Ghanaian to take care of their health and that of their families by adhering to the following precautionary measures: regular and thorough washing of hands with soap under running water and use of alcohol-based hand sanitizers. Avoid shaking of hands. Keep a distance of at least 2 meters from a person with fever, cough, sneezing, and difficulty in breathing. It is advisable to be physically active, drink plenty of water, eat healthy, avoid stress, and have enough sleep. Stay home if you feel unwell with symptoms of fever, cough, and difficulty in breathing, and call the following numbers immediately: 050-949-7700, 055-843-9868. I would like to repeat the numbers: 050-949-7700, 055-843-9868. Thank you. Good evening again.
So we're grateful. The government will provide further updates in the next 24 hours of other related matters, including a number of travel advisories. We're very grateful for your time.